what is the pentatonic scale on a C? Sorry, two questions. A pentatonic scale,
Yeah.
is that a scale which has 5 notes that starts on the tonic or not?
The pentatonic scale has 5 notes.
Yeah.
So
And does
penta
it
is from Greek or Latin, I don't know, meaning
and does
five.
it start on the tonic
Well, a
or not?
scale, if you're talking about a scale in a particular key, which you often are, if it's a C major pentatonic, it starts on C, but you don't have to start it on C. It's just if it's written down, it's C, D, E, G, A. You don't have
Oh,
to.
a pentatonic is
It's got 5 notes. Could be any notes.
any notes, not
Pentatonic
a
scale can have any notes as long as there's only five.
Oh, okay.
But usually in music, when we think about a pentatonic scale, we think it's either major or minor. It's either the major pentatonic or the minor pentatonic. Reality is there's no limit to pentatonic scales, but if it
Mhm.
makes it simpler, just think for now as there's just two. There's thousands, but just think of it as one is major, one is minor. And they're very, very useful things to have up your sleeve. And everybody should be able to sing a pentatonic scale, sing a major pentatonic and sing a minor pentatonic, so that and then learn to play it on whatever instrument you play, any instrument you want. You need to be able to play a pentatonic scale, major and minor, if you've got any chance of improvising. It really is the open door to improvising, I think. I don't know if anybody wants to come back at me on that, but that my opinion. For me, being able to play pentatonic scales is absolutely the way forward for improvising. So can we all sing a major pentatonic? Let's do it in C, since we've all got C harmonicas. La 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 la. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do re mi so la. Is that right? Do re mi. Miss out fa. So la. Miss out ti do.
Why did you miss those ones out then?
Because there's only 5 allowed. We've got to miss 2 out
Oh, right.
out of 7. 2 have to go. There's 7. 2 have to go.
So you could do a pentatonic with those in, but the other one.
Yeah, but it just has to have 5 notes. Dee da
Okay.
da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It keeps going up and down. If you had a piano with 8 octaves, it would do it over 8 octaves. So can you all sing this? So that's a C major pentatonic. G major, it's the same thing, same tune. And you fall off the end of the harmonica, but it's the same five. It's the same thing. It's got to be 5 notes. And typically we think of it as the C major pentatonic starts on C, but you don't have to play. You don't have to start it on C. You can start it on any of the 5 notes. And you would use C. You would use a major pentatonic in major key music. It just sounds right. You hear it in country music or folk music. It's in jazz as well and blues. Not so much in blues because blues wants that minor thing. So if you'd hear a country lick, so it's very very big in country music, major key music, and then the minor pentatonic starts out like Smoke on the Water. Dum, dum, dum. So I'll do that in D on a C harmonica. So if you think of Smoke on the Water, bum, 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 you're in a minor scale now. Do, do, da, do, da. Dee da do da do da. Dee da do da do da do da da do da. That's minor. Do do da do da da do do da. Major. Do 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 da do do da. So really, you've got to memorize and be able to sing a major pentatonic and a minor pentatonic and be able to do it to order. And then there's a very good chance you can play it on the harmonica.
Can I ask a daft question?
Yes, let me just one thing first. The minor pentatonic is only one note away from a blues scale. So when you're playing blues, you use a minor pentatonic with one extra note added to it. Typically. Well, you can do. Miriam, yes.
Oh, right. It was just, this is going to sound a bit daft, but you know, when you say the major pentatonic, it's like one note after the other, as against C, E, skipping a note. It's C, D.
You choose which notes you want for a pentatonic scale.
Oh, okay.
So if it's if it's a major pentatonic on C, it's going to be C, D, E. Don't play the F, G, A. Don't play the A, and then we start again with C. So it's notes 1, 2, 3,
C, D,
5.
E.
Oh, sorry, C, D, E. You do play the A. I beg your pardon. You don't play. It's the B you don't play. Sorry.
C, D, E.
So it's in the
C, D,
scale notes. It's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 of any scale. So if I just give it to you in numbers, then you can understand it.
All right.
C, if it's in C, it's C, D, E, G, A.
C,
So it's so if you think of the scale of C as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you don't play 4 and 7. You play 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's a major pentatonic. In any scale, in any key, in any scale, you play the first, that's a root note, first, second, third, fifth, and sixth only. Of any scale, whether it's C or D or E or F or G or A flat or whatever, you play the first, second, third, fifth, and sixth of that scale, and that's your pentatonic, major pentatonic.
1, 2, 3, 5. All right. And you leave the F.
And it contains the first note, the third note, and the fifth note, which is the triad, which is what Jason was going on about.
Oh, okay. Triad.
Triad is 3 notes.
All right.
And you can play them as a chord, C, E, and G as well. So this all ties in together. Perhaps next time we'll have a look at the minor pentatonic in a bit more detail. But for now, your homework, ladies and gentlemen, is to learn the major pentatonic and be able to sing it in pitch in any starting. So if it was C, da 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 da, ba da 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 da, da 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 do da da, da da do da do da da, da da do da 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 da. You should be able to sing a major pentatonic and a minor, but a major pentatonic in any key without your harmonica. And number it 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. And that is your homework.
Yeah. Can I just ask one question?
Yeah.
And middle C on the piano, what is that? Where is that in relationship to our C harmonica?
I think it's where the little lock is on the piano, isn't it?
Yeah, I know where middle C is on the piano, but
I think it's one blow, I think.
It is one, okay.
But I tend to have that very fluid.
Right.
Personally. Because I don't know if it really matters to me.
Well, writing on with them because I've been trying to sort of sort out the chords. I've been trying to write
Yes,
on
exactly. So when you
music.
write it down, it starts to
So
match
then
at
when
that point.
you, yeah, the middle C on the piano would be just the, the one under the stave, the
Yeah,
C.
exactly. So I would call that one blow. But you
Right,
can, but if you look at my books, sometimes they're written an octave above or an octave below,
right, and they put that little
8 VA
eight,
or 8 VB, just
yeah,
for the sake of it looks better when it's written. You don't have too many ledger lines.
yeah,
It
yeah, okay,
keeps
yeah,
it keeps the ink nearer the middle of the page.
right, okay, yeah, good, thanks.
Good questions, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much
Mhm.
for asking those questions. It wouldn't be the same without you, these sessions. It wouldn't be the same without you.